Let me show you how to create a dramatic black and white image. Go to Image, Calculation. It already gives you a black and white version. Now change the blend mode to multiply. And we have two channels, source 1 and source 2. Change the top channel to green and the second channel to blue. And make sure the results shows new channel. You can always reduce the opacity depending on how your image looks. I'll just reduce mine. Let me see if it's 100. I'll just reduce mine to 80. Then go to channel and see alpha channel has been created. And make sure to select the alpha channel, press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then go back to layers, create a new layer, then press Ctrl V. Now you have the black and white version at the top and the color version at the bottom. If you want, you can add curves adjustment layer to make it even more dramatic. That's only if it works for your image. And there you have it, a black and white dramatic image. Very simple.